In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to segment your current Flodesk list. This task is a crucial aspect of managing your email marketing efforts effectively. Properly segmenting your list allows you to send targeted communications, improving engagement and conversion rates. So let's get started and ensure you can reach the right audience with the right message at the perfect time. To begin, you'll need to head over to Flodesk, open your preferred web browser and type in www.flodesk.com. Once you see the website load up, log into your account using your usual credentials. Logging in will bring you to the main dashboard where you can access all the features Flodesk has to offer. Next, we'll focus on the Audience tab. This is where you manage your subscribers and categorize them into different groups. In the Flodesk dashboard, you'll want to locate the section labeled Audience. It's usually one of the main options at the top or side of your screen, depending on your interface. Once in the audience section, the next step is to create a new segment. Segments are crucial for effectively targeting different groups within your audience based on their behaviors and preferences. Click on Segments, which you'll find on the left-hand side of your screen. After that, you should see the option to click on Create New Segment. Go ahead and do just that. Now you'll want to choose the appropriate filters for this new segment. This is where you define the criteria for who will be included or excluded from this segment. Some of the common filters include tags, which are labels you might have given to your subscribers based on their interactions, like purchased or interested. You can also filter by activity, for example, selecting individuals who have opened email to only include the most engaged subscribers. Finally, consider using custom fields such as location or specific interests if you've gathered such data from your audience. These filters are powerful tools that help you customize your email strategy based on real subscriber information. Once you have selected the filters that align with your marketing strategy, it's time to name your new segment. Choose a name that is clear and descriptive, making it easy to identify the group it represents. This will be helpful later when you want to send targeted content quickly. After naming your segment, hit Save to finalize the creation of your segment. And that's it! You've successfully created a segment in Flodesk. This new segment will now appear in your audience section, ready to be used in your campaigns. Remember that well thought out segments are the foundation of successful email marketing, allowing you to deliver personalized messages that resonate with each part of your audience. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and happy segmenting.